Alright guys, so we are on to 5.3. This is supposed to be a little bit of a project, a fun thing for you to play around with, you know, something for you to get a little creative and expressive. You're basically writing a framework for a story, so when the user puts in or inputs data, it actually gets inserted into the story in certain areas. So I'm going to just show you an example of one really quick. This is not high quality, this is not something that, you know, you want to like look at as like a guiding quality of project. This is more of me just showing you an example of what it looks like. So we have an input sitting up. We've titled this Weird Pet. Then I skipped a line and then I have enter a name. Let's type in Brian. Enter a location. Let's go to the North Pole. All right, enter a type of animal. Let's put in a zebra. Let's say a color. Let's go purple. And enter a noise an animal makes in past tense. Let's say meowed. All right, so see how I typed in this data? I obviously have some sort of like story or plot development in mind. So when I press enter on this last input statement, we get a story. One day, little Brian hitchhiked all the way to the North Pole in order to adopt